I feel it look like I probably 1 year and a half.
Maybe back that I heard that bad.
Probably lead to surgery.
Don't do that.
Squad! What's up, everybody? You don't know your boy Razablade, and today I'm gonna drop an epic prank video for you. Epic. So, I see this idea on YouTube where the females them, I say the man nah get no kitty for like a 5 month or 3 month or whatever. Me want to put my little personal touch on it. Me I go tell my girl say, yo, I go pharmacy yesterday, complain about my back. And them say, no kitty for your razor for 5 months. So I want to spin it around in my way. You see what I say? Please remember to like this video. Every like counts. Every like show me say you actually want more videos. Because on the system I'm not post from there. So encouragement sweeten labor. Let's like the video. Silent viewer, like the video. If you're just coming here, like the video. If you're a regular like and you're no member, check down below, like the video. And before we start this video, I want you guys to check out Life with Gio. Link I got there at the top of the comments. Click it, go over there, subscribe, make him know what I'm saying you. Now, let's start the video. Babe,
Yeah.
come here. Yeah.
I can't find my green screen something.
You must see your phone today. Come here. Something serious I want to talk to you about. I don't want you to laugh and go on to the most antics.
Never laugh.
So pause this now, babe, and pay me a little attention now.
Alright. Yeah.
Seriously, you know. Otherwise, I mean, you see, at that I start on my problem. Otherwise, from my neck, you know, say, I have feel back pain.
Back?
Yeah, remember me tell you
Yeah, I
about
know you have feel back, but it come
no,
back.
that wicked, it come back wicked now. Right, that's all. So I go to the pharmacy so they can be afraid. What no, babe? What you go do? You go see it?
No, I'm going to just rub it.
No, babe, I don't rub it neither. I go to the pharmacy yesterday and I talk to the pharmacist and she asked me if I have sex regular and when last. And I tell her, I say, the day before we come there, which was the day before yesterday, which day, I remember. But
Yeah,
she has said, arrest me need based on me, I tell her. Rest, yeah, but at the amount
which
of risk.
pharmacy did I tell her?
Babe, what, that even important?
No, but why you never just got a doctor?
Babe, I just did that say, you know, I probably do some vitamins me need, but the lady asked me
But they
need.
take vitamins.
Yeah, but that's why I said, me think me need more. The lady said, 6 months rest me need.
What pharmacist tell her that?
Yeah.
No wonder why she said 6 months.
Why?
What pharmacist tell her that?
Babe,
Jason?
6 months, babe. I'd like say,
I mean, me can't wait. I help, but at the same time, why never just go one doctor? To make a doctor tell us to wait 6
babe,
months for a pharmacist.
I
tell her?
never go there with the intention to fear that, babe. I go there with the intention to buy vitamin and I talk to the
So,
lady.
If you got the pharmacy and she tell her that, but you never go with the intention. And she tell her that, and then like she said 2 months, 3 months, she said 6. Why not never just go to the doctor? Because she said
Babe, I
6
never have
then.
no time by the time I say me I come back for you.
So let's go today. Probably
So you can't take your lady word for you.
But babe, alright, me take a lady word for you, but what if I something worse?
Suppose I 1 year.
Stop now?
The way me messed up now.
Babe, let's take like the doctor.
No,
though.
I feel
Seriously,
it's somebody know.
go to the doctor because yeah, me understand so when you buy your medication and stuff like that, the pharmacist them can tell you say whatever, but if them tell us 6 months go to the doctor, suppose there's something bad. Suppose your back affect your
How it affect you? Bro.
She said 6 months.
Yeah, but I eat it affect my back. My back. It not affect me miss. It affect my back.
Is that right to that bad?
Yeah, Jesus, I'm gonna
I'm
understand.
gonna rub it.
Yeah, be rub and that I think when you rub it, I go want to lead on to something else.
Just a self-control, bro. Your back are hurt if you get them. Oh, wait. So when we did go about our anniversary, and the lady have massage your back, And when you come out, I say, babe, did it feel like you want it? And you tell me no.
Babe, are you, when you give me the
Clever,
massage?
clever.
I don't know about clever, babe, are you?
Jason White is clever. You're clever, babe.
So, look, you know, you just a chat and all listen to me I say. Listen to me I say, babe.
Alright, so when you like, if me depend on me, I ride it, you make your back feel?
Babe, it's not about the way you do, babe. It's just that the man tell me say me just need a 6-month break overall. Not even like aging. You might
Alright, babe, if you need it, you can take it, but why not go to the doctor? To
Let
make
me go
them
over the
tell
friend.
you what
My
is
friend
wrong.
tell me say 1 year because the lady I said based on what she hear already say
So
1
why are you
year.
afraid?
1 year
Like
break,
if
babe.
that's a 1 year, why not? Are you healthy? When you come back, you're going to come back stronger than ever.
Babe, me say 1 year. You say 1 year.
Yeah, it's gonna
1
grow
year.
like it.
You know,
Yeah, but it a go.
me say 1 year, miss. 365 days. You know how long that?
Babe, there's so many other stuff there that is there that can be done.
Like what?
Why you ask for it?
Like what? No, what can be done? I mean what?
Babe, we have
No,
to
what
be
can be
uncomfortable.
done?
We don't want to complicate the situation.
What can be
If
done?
a 1 year mood, I just wait the 1 year.
Babe, may I say right now it look like a potentially 1 year. Don't me feel it look like a probably 1 year and a half.
Baby, but that I heard that bad.
Probably lead to surgery.
Don't do that.
You see? No, yeah, well, because I never want to tell you say that the lady say probably lead to, but no, yeah, afraid. I say 1 year, baby, you're there, gigi, gaga, gaga.
But baby, for 1 year, what can I do? You're my partner.
But
You're
I
going to be my
tell you,
husband.
babe,
I have to wait. What am I going to do then?
No worried. You're not worried.
But why you worried that you never go to the doctor?
Because
One pharmacist tell her that, Jason, one pharmacist. You do an x-ray? Them do an x-ray by your back?
yeah, but you know me need to do an x-ray.
Exactly. So how can you...
You don't know the word. It's self-diagnosed.
How can you diagnose yourself and you never go to one doctor?
Babe,
People put our clothes and go to the doctor. What if it's bad? Yes, your back are hurting. Yes, if it says stop hurting, now it come back. So what if it come back and it come back worse? I mean, I love it, but I can't wait. I promise. Yeah, I love it, but I can't wait. You don't believe.
not one bit.
I can't wait.
You know, by next 2 weeks, you start saying, babe, no, go wrong if.
Baby, you use the stuff.
With stuff, yeah, that's how we use stuff. Which stuff do you use? Me never see the best stuff there yet.
You have your stuff, so you know the business move on next
No,
stuff.
me don't want to hear that. Me always hear you say you have the stuff and me never see them yet.
Because I know you. I know what you will do.
What me will do?
They will be fast with them.
Oh!
I didn't dash them where are you? You're probably
What trouble you
trouble
for?
me.
So you
Baby,
feel
no, you're
like
provoking.
you feel like me look for them for dash them way?
No, you're not. You're not search me fancy draw, but I know what you stay.
Oh, me stay.
I want it. Want it?
What for? Go on, come in where you don't have no stuff, you don't have nothing.
Okay, we don't have nothing then.
Go on,
No,
me
we
see.
don't have nothing.
Go see,
We
me
don't
see.
have nothing.
Baby, you're lying.
Babe,
You're lying
I
now.
need to relax. I know what I can do.
What you
I
can
got
do?
this.
Got what?
Hey, come on, stop. Anything you feel, babe, I just want to know say you're alright. But babe, how dare you? You can go to fire station and go tell them say,
That is not the point.
You
babe.
want your house
A
to
reason,
out?
me never go there to get diagnosed, but go there and a reason.
but she
babe.
cannot do that.
Babe, so she hear something like it already, babe. Take
But
it.
even if she tell you take it with a grain of salt and then you do what you need to do. If you
that-
said give you an idea so you need to go to a doctor, but
Yeah,
don't just
but
make that.
But me just a tell you now, so babe, the possibilities, and that me I try to tell you.
But why not just know what is up more than you answer the possibilities?
Babe, you're
of
not,
what
you're
is
not saying,
up?
no, you just have, lady just. Listen what me I say. Me say, I'm telling you what the lady said to me, so I just tell you that they can give me advice. Yes, we have to go. Get it now?
Alright, babe, my best advice is to put our clothes and go to the doctor
Okay, then.
so we can know what is what.
Okay, then.
But babe, seriously though, your back, it always on and off.
Yeah, but it, I wrong thing with you and a half now.
See, I said because, but me right from what day, yeah.
And that a part of the problem. Probably me just need some rest.
Me right now.
6 months, 8 months, this up. I'm not gonna take a
You see,
year.
I go in pharmacy and the lady tell you that, alright, you don't want nothing.
Whoa!
I mean, if you don't want nothing, it's cool.
Why you
Sometimes
that
you don't
think-
want nothing either.
Now why you not think that though? 6 to 8 months, babe? Think about that. That even
Yes,
sound
sir.
that even so realistic.
Yes, sir. And you make up this. No pharmacist may tell her this, Jason. Jason, you don't want it?
What a girl like this.
Baby, you don't want
You
it.
know, say cool.
Baby, you want
Baby,
it.
really?
Baby, I waste my time. You don't want it.
Me a waste of time.
Yeah, no, you don't, babe, but it's okay.
So me there start with a life-threatening thing right now.
Babe, me care. Yeah, you want to make it be a big deal. You know me not like to talk over them stuff. Now make it here just pass off. I don't have a problem.
Suppose the doctor say 1 year without it. What we that do?
What am I going to do?
I don't know
It's
that.
not unalive.
What you mean?
Alive?
What you mean?
Me not love it. Me not love it like that. Me love it. Me love it.
No, you know what?
Babe, me love it.
Alright.
But me not love it when me I go say me I go
Alright,
do
no, you don't love it like that. You know what? I joke me and make stay 8 months without it. You're not getting none. You're going to jump in like a plant. So me camera you all hide.
You make it sound as if them say. It make it sound as if them say.
What you talk to them for? What you talk to them for? But he make it.
But yeah, complicated.
8 months you not get it for you go jump in here.
8 months you not gonna give me for. Trouble.
Move back with your foolishness.
Come me could have edit. Me can't find my green screen.
Me not care.
Okay.
Me not care. 8 months.
Okay.
8 months.
Babe, me can't find the green screen for two. Me make it and me put all of them. Me don't know what happened with my space something. What is it?
My bag me a move out.
You know what?
People.
Me could have done anything I want. Me done still. Me done now.
Hey
I
people.
put my water in the fridge.
And my water that you know in my room, you know.
I'm left in there. Oh God, a pipe water.
Lies caught on camera. But that's what we have to know.
Babe.
Anyway, people, you see what she a going with her bag of things. Nah, I say nothing
You
still.
catch me, you know.
8 months. 8 months, you're not even
You know what, guys? I know
8
the funniest
months.
things. You know the funniest things.
Yeah, that free.
You know the funniest thing, guys? Guys, this is me and Jason almost every day. We talk about random stuff. So even if whatever me wouldn't know because this is me and him, we talk about shoes like that. We talk about car like that. We talk about everything like that. So what a big deal. That's not even.
So, baby,
planned.
you can go 8 months without the baby.
Yes, I can. And I can open the set.
Ah, well, I know. Yes, you will. Say that. No, yes, no, babe. Yes, you will.
I can, but I may
Yes,
not.
no. Yes, you will.
I can,
People,
but
so
I
they
may
see her in
not.
that miserable and them sitting there, we're not going to know what's going on.
But guys, for real, I can go 8 months
Yes,
without it.
you-
Baby, it's not life.
Yeah.
First of all, I don't like to be penetrated either, so I just put my bullet there and I whatever.
8 months.
TMI.
8 months, and I'll be. And
But
I'll
you're
be fine.
fine. You're fine.
That not say you're not get 8 months.
But
that's
you're
your-
fine.
That's your punishment. I can't help you.
So, who's lost? You know you love it. Come on, bro.
You feel like me need toys?
What?
You feel like me need toys?
So what if I need it? What if I was single?
You see,
What if
Shadrach,
I didn't
Meshach,
want
and
any?
Abednego, and the next 2 son them.
But what if I was single and me no want to do
Who
no?
for me about single? No, give me them single talk there.
Alright, what if me never did want no? Guys, just not stress me.
See, you know, especially call the people, lean near the stick already.
Plus me coulda. Bye guys.